In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the conversations inbox in HubSpot. Understanding how to set this up can vastly improve your customer service operations, enabling a smoother and more unified communication process with your clients. Let's dive in and go through the setup one step at a time. Firstly, we'll start by navigating to the trial guide for the Sales Hub Professional on the HubSpot platform. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to the HubSpot webpage where you can access your trial guide. You should see a plethora of menus and options, but don't worry if it seems overwhelming at first. We're going to take it step by step. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. This is usually identifiable by a gear icon, often found in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. The Settings menu is where you can customize how your HubSpot tool operates, tailoring it according to your business needs. After you've clicked on Settings, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left. Here you should see an option labeled Inbox and Help Desk. Clicking on this option takes you one step closer to setting up your conversations inbox. You'll need to keep this page in mind as it holds many of the settings we'll be adjusting today. Now that you've opened the Inbox and Help Desk section, you'll need to click on Inboxes. This option allows you to view and manage all of the inboxes that have been set up for your business within HubSpot. In this area, you'll also be able to add new inboxes or edit existing ones as needed. Next, we'll need to connect a communication channel to your inbox. Look for the option labeled Connect a Channel. This step is crucial as it allows you to begin receiving messages from your customers directly into your HubSpot account, keeping everything organized and in one place. After you've accessed the Connect a Channel option, you'll want to select the Chat option. Chat is an incredibly effective way to offer real-time support to your customers. By setting up a chat channel, you're ensuring there is a quick and easy way for your customers to interact with your business. This kind of direct communication can lead to higher customer satisfaction and more efficient issue resolution. And there you have it, a straightforward way to set up the conversations inbox in HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to better managing customer interactions and improving your business's overall communication flow. Feel free to explore additional settings to further customize your setup according to your business needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more detailed tutorials.